Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Yudi here. So this is the TECNO Camon 18 Premier, TECNO's latest mid-range device. And like most mid-range devices in 2021, it has insane pricing. Now, one of the selling points of the TECNO Camon 18 Premier is the gimbal stabilization feature. You've probably seen it on an ad here on YouTube. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to be talking about everything you should know about the TECNO Camon 18 Premier. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. So before we begin, do me one favor. Give this video a like by hitting the like button. That will really help with the YouTube algorithm so more people will get to see this video. Now I do have chapters of this video as table of contents in the description below. You can check them out so you can skip to any part of the video you'd like. So the TECNO Camon 18 Premier. Let's start with the design and build quality. I really love the rear design on the 18 Premier. It's now my favorite rear design on the smartphone. It was previously the Samsung A32, but hey, this design is really nice. The Camon 18 Premier is designed like the Infinix Zero X. It has a flat design, but let's be honest, they were both designed like the iPhone 12. The 18 Premier has glass rear and plastic frame, and it has Dragon Trail glass protection on both the front and the back. There was no mention of any form of water resistance. The 18 Premier is available in two colors, that's Polar Night and Vast Sky. Now towards the right side of the smartphone, we see the volume rockers and the power button, which doubles down as a fingerprint scanner. Up top we have the secondary microphone. To the left we have the dual SIM card plus memory card slots. The bottom side has the headphone jack, the primary microphone, the USB Type-C port, and the mono speaker grill. Now at the rear of the device we see the triple camera setup and the TECNO Camon branding. And up front is the front-facing camera in the hole punch cutouts. By the way, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. The display on the Camon 18 Premier is huge. So we have a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED 1080p 120Hz display with 550 nits of peak brightness. A really impressive display. Now powering that display is a 4750 mAh battery with 33 watts of fast charging, which will get you from 0 to 65% with 30 minutes of charging. Now on the software front, the 18 Premier is running Android 11 on iOS 8 and it's powered by a gaming processor, the MediaTek Helio G96, which is really not an upgrade from the G95 on the Camon 17 Pro because the G95 has higher GPU frequency, so the G95 will be slightly better for gaming, but really the G96 is better in every other way. It supports faster storage, it supports Bluetooth 5.2, it supports 120Hz display, and it takes better pictures. Speaking of pictures, the cameras. So like I said, it's a triple camera setup with a 64 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide with OIS, 8 megapixel 5x telephoto lens, and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Now the main sensor is capable of shooting 2K video at 30 frames per second, which is a downgrade from the Camon 17 Pro, which shoots 4K. For the super steady gimbal stabilization video on the ultra-wide camera, well, that is capped at just 1080p. The 32 megapixel front-facing camera can also shoot at 2K at 30 frames per second. The TECNO Camon 18 Premier costs $182,000 or $350 for 8GB of RAM and 226GB of storage. Now that price may seem like a lot, but it competes well with the likes of the Redmi Note 10 Pro, the Infinix Zero X Pro, the Samsung A52, which have similar specs and similar price as well. Anyway, do let me know what you think of the TECNO Camon 18 Premier. Do you consider it to be your next phone? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a like and remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified when I upload a new video just like this one. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoots. Thank you so much for watching and you'll see me in my next video.